To add disk storage to your environment, in the Command Center, select Storage from the left-hand navigation pane. Then select Disk. This will show any disk storage configured in the environment. To add new storage, in the upper right, click Add. Give your storage pool a name, then click Add to add a backup location. Your storage will need to be connected to a media agent. Select a configured media agent from the drop-down menu or press the plus icon to add a new one. We'll select the LXMA device. Browse to and select the backup location storage and click Add. Next, if required, add deduplication. It is enabled by default and can be disabled using the toggle switch. Click Add to add a deduplication database location. Select the media agent from the drop-down, browse to and select the deduplication database storage and click Add. Hit Save and your storage pool is created. From the disk storage page, click the storage pool name to view statistics and further configuration elements.